Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a Django project and how to create an application and register that application inside the Django project and how to create the super user and migrate the database. Before that, all the stuffs, I have to show you how to create the virtual environment and why the virtual environment needed for this project, for the Django project. Let's start the demonstration. Uh, First, we have to learn why we need the virtual environment and what is its necessary. Open the paint, your virtual environment. Okay, virtual environment. Let's start with an example. If we are having a local system, In my local system, I have to build a project. Let's start one project. This one project one. This one project 2, this one project 3. Then let's add P1. This one is the P1. This one P2. This one project 3. Yeah, project 1. This Django project, we need versions of Django 2.1.4. These versions, yes, size P1 having Django 2.1.4, then in Django, let's say 3.7.2, then P3D Django 5.1.9. These three Django different projects having different versions of Django we need for different projects. If we are using the local system, we are installing the Django inside the local system. We it can to be happened for the different projects for different versions. Why? Uh, because when you are installing the Django, you will install the Django inside your system. It will occupy one versions, any latest versions or your desired versions for all the projects, not for individual projects. You will use the individual versions of the Django in the local system. If for that for this problem, we find the solution, that is virtual environment. For every each and every project having individuals environment. In their individual environment, we have to install the uh, Django. Let's here is the another system. Here we have to create different environment. Here I built two environment. I have four project. One project is here, and another project is here. Yeah. This is a project. This is project one. This is project two. This one project three. This one project four. Yeah. Here what happened? Uh, this is my local system. This is my local system. These two are my environment. venv one. This is the virtual environment one. Then virtual environment two. Yeah. Why I have made this virtual environment? P1 and P2 P1 and P2 project, we need same versions of Django, and P3 P4 we need same versions of Django. Here P1 and P1 P2 we need 3.7 versions of Django, but P3 P4 we need 5.1 versions. Here what another benefit is that uh, will not occupy the more space in your local system. Here what happened? We have to install in the Django. We have to install the Django inside the local system. It will occupy your local system space. But here we have to only create the virtual environment. Inside the virtual environment, we have to install the Django. It will we can distribute the versions of Django to the different projects, individual projects. So we are using the virtual environments. Let's start the demonstration. First you have to open the command prompt here. Let's run the command python space -m space venv space virtual environment name, uh, demo env. Let's wait for a few seconds. Yeah, you can see that here already created. Then go into it and go to the scripts. Here you have to go through the command prompt. Let's type cd demo env / scripts, enter. Here you have to activate the virtual environment. If you will not activate it and install the Django, it will automatically installed into your local system. If you are activating it, then after activating, you will install the Django. That Django will install into your virtual environment. Press enter. Here you can see that you are activated demo env. Here you have to run the command, install the Django. Uh, Write the command pip install Django. Here what happened, it will install the latest versions of Django. If you will want a particular versions of Django, then you have to write Django equal to, then write the versions, particular in versions. Yes, I need a latest versions, then press enter. It will take some time. You can see that it's downloading. You successfully installed the Django. Let's, if you want to check all the what you have installed, then pip freeze this command. You can see that what is the latest versions, that is 5.2.4. Then what you have to do, you have to create the project. Here you have to write project, to command to create the project. Django hyphen admin start project, then give a project name, my project. Let's check. Yeah, here it has been created. Then go into it. City my project. Already the project has been created. And check the project, whether the project is able to run or not. Uh, python space manage dot py space run server. Yeah, check it. Yeah, successfully installed the Django and able to run in this port number. Let's add an create an app and register that app. Let's terminate the server. Command to create the app: python space manage dot py start app, then app name my. You can see that here app has been created successfully. Then we have to register that app. Settings.py, here installed app, here my app, here. Then how to migrate, then python manage.py migrate. Yeah, migration successful. Then we have to create a super user. Why you are creating super user? Because when you will working on the database, there you will know the why you will creating the super user. Super user is the admin page where you can manage your database. Let's create the super user. Python dot py create super user. Yeah, it's asking for. Let's I give admin. Email is not compulsory. Password you have to give. Same admin again. Then yes. Yeah, successfully created. You can see that. Let's check it. uh, python manage. Sorry. Oh. It's really mystery. Manage. Okay. Yeah, successful run. Let's go to the admin page. Admin. Yeah. Give your provider credential. Yeah, you can see that here. And what is group user? I will later I will discuss on that. And let's one we have to customize the app. where here you have to print the hello or something, one sentence or one word. Let's do it. Let's go to the app in views. We have to create a views. We have to return the HTTP response, not the HTML file. So we have to create an HTTP response. That from Django.http import HTTP response. HTTP response. You have to write the create function. Inside function you have to write hello and write a different hi Kiran. Request return HTTP response as what you have to display here. You have to write hi Kiran, I hope you are doing well. This then you have to go to the URL to connect that views. Here you have to register the views from my app name, from which app you have to connect the views, then import the web function, then you have to connect path, nothing I have to give, then specify Kira, then name, go to okay, yeah, then sorry, not so one thing we have missed. We have to create an new urls.py inside the app, where you have to connect. Here we have to write from Django.urls, import the path, then from my app, not required dot here because here we are present in the view inside the apps, and import hi Kiran, then url pattern, patterns, and path, okay. After that we have to go to the projects URL. We have to connect that app uh, to the project. Here, include path. The path my app name, then include this. Let's check run the project. Sorry, you have to check the here. Here we have to turn. Here we have done the wrong. Go to the URL is wrong. Sorry for it. And from dot all import views. Here I have to write views dot Ikea. Then go to the URL. Yeah, it's fine. Let's run. Go to the views high. Yeah, correct. Another problem is that yeah, in views we have to give here forward slash. Let's check it. Yeah, you can see that successfully run customize. Like this, you have to do the project and I will post another video on a proper project end-to-end applications like management system and doctor management system and employee management system and different systems. I have to build the project and I will demonstrate you. Please likes my video, comments my video, and please share my video as long as that my subscriber will increase. Let's subscribe my channels. Thank you guys.